Hello, how you doing? So back again with another egg recipe, nice quick egg recipes. This one has got avocado in it, cheddar. I've got some corn in there, peppers, olives, oregano, fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got 4 eggs, a couple of avocados, about a cup or half a cup maybe of sweet corn, same of bell pepper. I'm using red, you could use a different color of course. Onion and cheddar, they're roughly the same, and they're slightly less, aren't they? But you can play around with that. 2 teaspoons of oregano, nice knob of butter or like a tablespoon of butter. And I've got here some black olives, really simple and delicious. Okay, so butter in there, just gonna melt that down, medium heat. So just melted that butter down, in goes the onion. We're gonna add some salt, some black pepper, and I'm going to drop in those olives now as well. And we're going to go just for like 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to add in the bell pepper and the sweet corn. And of course you could be adding something else if you want here, maybe some mushrooms or zucchini. A couple of teaspoons of the oregano. And again, about another 3 minutes on a nice kind of gentle heat. Okay, fantastic. Next up, 4 eggs, which I've beaten. 1 cup of cheddar grated. And then some avo. 1 avocado here. 1 more I'm going to put on the top when we're done. Now, depending on how you like your eggs, it's up to you how long you go for. I like mine fairly well done. I'll be back in about 3 minutes or so. All right, and that's it. So easy. I like just a bit of extra avocado on the top, so I've got the other one and just sliced it there like that. Nice and easy, beautiful. Have that for breakfast, have that for lunch, have that for dinner. Fantastic. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.